Hi, hello, welcome back. So today we are with a new question of interview series for medical coders, certified as well as non-certified freshers. Okay, so today's question what we are going to discuss is what is gangrene? Gangrene. So this is an important question which is asked at the time of interview. Okay, so please make a note of it. Before entering into the video, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, and if you find it useful, please do share it with your friends also. So we'll enter into this video. Okay, so what is gangrene? Gangrene is the death of the tissue which is happening because of lack of blood flow. Okay, so there are several types of gangrene. We can say dry gangrene as well as wet gangrene. Peripheral artery disease, that is a common cause of dry gangrene, whereas if you take wet gangrene, it mostly involves in the lack of blood flow, which will finally result in bacterial infection. This is a definition for gangrene, so you can make a note of it and you can go through it while preparing this interview. So in the top of the interview, I'll be adding the iCard for the playlist for interview questions. Go through all the questions. It will be really helpful for you for preparing. Okay. So any of the candidates, those who are watching the video have already attended the interview, please do comment those questions, so it will be helpful for other candidates also to prepare. So this is a simple definition which is given for this gangrene, and in the description also I'll be adding up the definition, so you can go through it. Thank you so much.